Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be playing in my month ahead binder, game book, whatever you want to call it. So let's get into it. All right, I have $26 here today to play in my book from Norelli's Budgets. And if you're new here to the channel, I do this once a month at the end of the month. During the month, I try to put away any extra money that I can towards doing this book to save for getting 1 month ahead in my bills and expenses. So we don't actually have a month ahead binder started yet. Right now, I'm just saving up with this game book from Norelli's. And I have each envelope labeled with what the money is going towards when we finish that challenge. And then once we have some decent money, and once I figure out what I want to do, because I just haven't had the bandwidth mentally to do that yet, then we'll do an actual month ahead binder where we start getting all of that stuff organized. For now, I'm just saving money. That's the main goal, is just saving money for month ahead. All right, so the way I do this is there are 6 different pages, so I roll a d6, and that tells us which challenge we're going to. So we have challenge 1, challenge number 2, challenge number 3, challenge number 4 is all done. This one went towards gas. Challenge number 5, challenge number 6. So let's get started. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a great week so far. I'm gonna post this on Thursday, hopefully, but if not, then, on whatever day I post it, I hope you're having a good one. All right, so challenge number 5. Let's roll and see which one of these stars we're going to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 1. So we're gonna save $1 in this challenge. Let's go to the next challenge. Oh, challenge number 5 again. Okay, so let's see which star we're going to this time. 1, 2, 3. 1 again. All right, this challenge is going towards internet, which I think is about $70 a month. Challenge number 4 we finished. Oh. Challenge number 5 again. Okay, so let's do that, and we have finished challenge number 5. So now it's just 4 challenges left. All right, challenge number 1. Let's roll and see which one of these we're scratching off. This one. All right, perfect. All right, so that is $2. So 1 and 2. Challenge number 6. 1, 2, 3. That's $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Challenge number 5 is done. Number 3. Okay. The butterflies are $2. We finished all the butterflies. So let's see where we're scratching. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, $3 here. I think this is my 3rd month doing this book, and we have almost finished it. I mean, I feel like we've made a lot of good progress. All right, each flower here is $5. If I roll an odd, we're gonna do the flower. If I roll an even, we're gonna do the scratch off. Even. Okay, so which scratch off are we doing? 1, 2, 3. For $3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Oops. All right. Now challenge number 2. Oh, challenge number 2 again. Okay. So if I roll an odd, we're doing the flower. Even, scratch off. Odd. Okay, flower. So $5. So all the flowers are done now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Challenge number 5 is done. Nope. Nope. No. Oh my gosh. Challenge number 1. Okay. Ooh. Oh, 6. Okay. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3 here, and I'm going to grab $3 from my secret stash to finish this one, and then we'll be done for today. So let's go through and let's see what we're adding to each challenge. So we finished this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that we're adding today. And so in total, let's see, this one is going to subscriptions for the month. All right, so our total goal for subscriptions is $200. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, nice. Nice even number. All right, so I'm going to do this. And I'm going to grab a Post-it note. So this is subscriptions, $25. All right, so that is all ready to go into our month ahead binder. I think I just was too intimidated to do a month ahead. And I was like, I didn't really know how to begin or what to do. And so I was like, but I want to start saving money. So let me just do something. And so this, I feel like, will be like a nice little like booster start for these different categories when we do start it. And so I'm excited. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna get things together, guys, to start one soon. I hope now that I've launched my Boo Box, I feel like I'll have a little bit more time at the end of this month to, you know, kind of plan and strategize what I'm gonna do. So in this challenge, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we're adding it to what we already had in here, which was 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. So we got 41 in here. All right, we did not finish this challenge, but we added 1, 2, and 3. So we have 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had finished that challenge already. We finished this challenge, so this week we added 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in here we had 21 and 2. This is going towards internet. So we have 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And our internet, like I said, is around $70 a month. So internet. Do you guys do a month ahead binder? I think I've asked you guys for recommendations and stuff before. And I did write down all of my month ahead stuff, like the categories that I will need. So then I guess I just go in order from smallest to greatest and do like a snowball method with it. That's what I've seen people do. Makes sense to me. All right, for this challenge, which we did not finish, we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we have 2041. So we have 47. And this one is going to power, which we really only need 60 in power. So the rest of this we might put towards something else. All right, well, that is it for our month ahead for this month. So I'll do this at the end of every month after we do our little monthly reallocation video. I do this, and hopefully eventually soon we will get started with an actual month ahead binder. So I hope you guys stick around. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to see all my videos that are posted. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.